everybody. Hi, everyone. Welcome to this. The Secretary wrote a while ago, the charges filed against 12 Turkish security officials send a clear message that the United States does not tolerate individuals who use intimidation and violence to stifle freedom of speech and legitimate political expression. The State Department will continue to work with law enforcement and the relevant legal authorities in the case. When an outcome is reached, the Department will determine if any additional steps will need to be taken.
Does that mean you'll try?
And frankly, the DC police chief's comment that he hopes that they present themselves so that they can, face the charges.
So we are taking a look and examining the investigation's findings. We will weigh what additional steps will need to be taken. Our actions will be responsive and proportional to the charges. Our focus is to work with law enforcement officials to ensure that those who are responsible for the violence are held accountable for those actions.
Right, but they're not.
Foreign Ministry released a joint statement, and I wanted to read one line from it to get your response to this particular line.
Then on June 6, 2017, in New York, Special Representative Yoon met in New York City with North Korean diplomats. During the meeting, Mr. Yoon was told about Mr. Warmbier's medical condition for the first time. So we were made fully aware of his medical, let me back up. We were made aware of his medical condition. The extent of it, I'm not sure that we had the full extent until our doctors were on the ground.
Health, Warmbier's health, is the United States considering what recourse it might have legally if...
I know that we would like to see them come home. I can confirm that Ambassador Yoon did make contact with the 3 Americans who are being held there. We are happy that he was able to make that contact. In terms of their medical condition, that's something I cannot comment on. The other day, I said I won't comment on personal health matters, and so I'm going to stand by that.
When you say made contact, you mean he was able to
He saw them. He did see them. Yes.
China.
Yes.
China.
Okay. China.